Demystifying the Associative Property. Not so subtractive after all. Hello, English learners. Today, we're delving into an interesting part of basic mathematics operations. We're discussing the associative property of subtraction. It might sound a bit complicated, but don't worry. We'll break it down together. Before we jump into the associative property, let's review subtraction itself. Subtraction is the process of taking away one quantity from another. For instance, if we have 5 apples and we eat 2, we subtract 2 from 5 and we're left with 3 apples. In English, we would say 5 minus 2 equals 3. Now that we're comfortable with subtraction, let's introduce the associative property. This is a concept that exists in mathematics which states that the way numbers are grouped in an operation does not change the result. However, there's a key thing to remember here. Subtraction is not associative. Let's demonstrate this using an example. Suppose we have the numbers 10, 5, and 2. If we group 10 to 5 first, then subtract 2, the result is 3. On the other hand, if we group 5 to 2 first, then subtract the result from 10, we get 7. As you can see, the result changes depending on how we group the numbers, showing that subtraction is not associative. A common mistake people make is confusing the associative property with the commutative property. While the commutative property of addition states that changing the order of numbers doesn't affect the result, like 2 plus 3 equals 3 plus 2, the associative property refers to how numbers are grouped. Remember, subtraction is neither commutative nor associative. Well, there you have it. We've discussed the associative property and clarified that subtraction is not associative. Keep practicing your English and these mathematical concepts, and soon enough, it'll be second nature to you. Remember, learning is a journey, not a race. Until next time, happy studying.